In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a company user and reassign their tasks. First, make sure you're logged into your account and you're on the main dashboard of your system. We'll be starting from the home screen that you typically see right after you sign in. Begin by moving your cursor to the bottom area of the screen and clicking on the profile icon. This is usually your avatar or a small user icon. Clicking this will open a menu with options related to your account. From this menu, look for and click on Account Settings. This section is where you can manage different parts of your profile and access permissions, including human resources features. Give the page a moment to load if it takes a second. Once you're in Account Settings, find and click on the option labeled Human Resources, or it might simply be abbreviated as HR. This area is specifically designed to manage people within your organization, including company users and their roles. Inside the Human Resources or HR section, locate and click on Company User. This is where you'll see a list of all users who are part of your company's account. Take a moment to scan the list carefully so you select the correct person, especially if multiple users have similar names or roles. Next, click on the user you want to remove. This will usually open a detailed view of their profile, including their role, status, and any tasks or responsibilities assigned to them. Make sure you've selected the right user because the next actions will affect their access and their tasks. Once you've opened that user's profile, look for the delete option and click on delete. At this stage, most systems will either ask for confirmation or take you through a short process to handle anything the user is currently responsible for. It's important not to rush here, as deleting a user can impact workflows. After clicking delete, you should see an option to reassign tasks. Click on Reassign Tasks to make sure any open or ongoing tasks that belong to this user are passed along to someone else. This step helps prevent interruptions in your team's work and ensures nothing gets lost or forgotten. Finally, once you've chosen how the task should be reassigned and reviewed everything, click on Submit. This will confirm the deletion of the user and apply the task reassignment. And that's it. You've successfully deleted